Hi, it's Beth from Avery Home Search. Today I've got something so special for you guys. I'm doing a Christmas Tablescape collab with some of my favorite YouTube sisters, and I'm going to show you who they are. First, I want to thank you ladies for the opportunity to collab with you, and I also want to welcome anyone from any of their channels. If this is your first time watching, feel free to subscribe if you like what you see. I'm super excited to be collabing with Tangie, Linda, Cynt, and Shushana, so let's get started. Make sure you go to each one of their channels and check them out. I'm going to do something really special today, and I can't wait for you to see, but I want to make sure you guys look in the description box for their links, and make sure you go to their channel and tell them that sent you. Guys, I'm gonna give you a closer look with the lights on, but first I want to thank my husband for helping me out in videotaping. Alright, let's take a closer look now. If you watch my channel, you know I love doing DIYs and decorating. This was such a fun collab. For this tablescape, I added red and white ornaments to my table garland to make it pop. The wreath and the table garland both came from Amazon. These mirror chargers are DIYs I did a while back. I will make sure I leave a link in the description box where everything came from so that you can take a look yourself. Let me know in the comments if this tablescape gave you any ideas or inspired you for some ideas to dress up your own home for the holidays. So this is the end of my tablescape, and that means it's time for you to go over and check out the other ladies' channels. I will, for your convenience, leave in the links, in the description, the links to all of their channels, so make sure you show them some love right after you leave this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.